Yeah, that was rain, and I was gonna go to Evanston, but I wasn't in the mood for like an hour-long delay slogging through mud. You know what I mean? And like munging up my bike. And it's Friday night, and Friday night is like a good time to have that sort of like you're partying by leaving late and it's really busy outside, but the weather, you know, it's not the best social weather, and you plan to do other things because there were supposed to be rainstorms. So just like yesterday, this is another window. But I've been getting so much done lately. It's so beautiful. It's really great. It contributes to so many other things, and when you work on certain things, they have to be a certain way. And it's good to know that for an environment for people to like bond and really like each other and make work contacts, it has to be a certain kind of environment.